In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a smart rich filter in Jira step by step, even if you've never used rich filters before. Smart rich filters are incredibly powerful because they let you customize boards and dashboards, apply dynamic filters, and make your Jira data much easier to understand at a glance. This is especially useful for Scrum Masters, project managers, and Agile teams who want better visibility without complex JQL every time. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the Jira instance where you want to create the rich filter. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to your project board. This can be a Scrum board or a Kanban board depending on how your team works. The important thing is that you're on a board where rich filters can be applied. Next, look at the top navigation area of your board and click on the More option. This is where Jira hides additional settings and integrations related to your board. From the dropdown, click on Apps. This will open the Atlassian Marketplace section inside Jira, where you can discover and manage apps that extend Jira's functionality. Now, in the Marketplace search bar, type Rich Filter. As the results load, look for an app called Rich Filters for Jira Dashboards. This is the official app that allows you to create smart, interactive filters for boards and dashboards. Click on that app to open its details page. On the app page, click on Try It Free. Jira will then take you through the installation and review process. Click on Review to confirm the app details, and then click on Start Free Trial. This will install the Rich Filters app into your Jira instance so you can start using it right away without any upfront cost. Once the app is installed, go back to Jira and again click on Apps in the top menu. From there, select Rich Filters. This will open the Rich Filters interface where you can manage and create new filters. If this is your first time here, you'll see a Getting Started screen. Now click on Create Rich Filter. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to give your rich filter a name. Choose a clear and descriptive name that matches the purpose of the filter. For example, something like Sprint Overview Filter or Team Priority Filter. After naming it, click Create to finalize the setup. At this point, your smart rich filter has been created successfully. From here, you can start configuring filter controls, smart counters, colors, and conditions to dynamically filter issues on your board or dashboard. Rich filters allow you to toggle views instantly without rewriting JQL, making your Jira experience faster and more visual. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a smart rich filter in Jira from scratch. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you understand rich filters better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tips, Agile workflows, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.